Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to go ahead and make it quick and let you know that the giveaway is officially underway. So I am going to be hosting a giveaway where I pick one lucky winner to win a 3D printed tattoo machine. I'm also going to give the winner the ability to pick either the black machine or this colored 3D printed tattoo machine. Entering this giveaway is 110% free for you, and it's super easy to enter. To enter this giveaway, you're going to want to follow a few easy steps. Step 1, you're going to want to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So please make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next step is giving this video a thumbs up. You're going to want to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend so that way they can go ahead and enter to win a 3D printed tattoo machine as well. Step 3 would be to comment down below. Comment down below authentically. Do not spam. Do not multi-comment just one word or anything like that. Engage with my content authentically and you are automatically entered into the giveaway. Every authentic comment that comes in from the point that I released this video to the point where this giveaway is done is going to be automatically entered for their chance to win. After we do step 1, 2, and 3, all we're going to want to do is simply await for the winner announcements to see if you are the lucky winner. It's really that easy. Here's a quick how to enter recap. Step 1, you're going to want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure that you're subscribed. Step 2, you're going to want to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And step 3, you're going to want to go ahead and comment down below to lock in your entry. It is that easy. Around October 20th to October 30th, I will go ahead and make the announcement video and I will announce the giveaway winners at that point. So it gives everyone around 10 to 15, 20 days or so, somewhere in that time frame to see this video and give them a chance to enter. I cannot exhaust that entering is really that easy. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, and comment down below, and you are automatically entered for your chance to win one of these 3D printed tattoo machines. Now, I'm also giving the winner the option to pick either the black or the colored 3D printed tattoo machine so that way they can pick the one that they want. So take this video as an official announcement for this giveaway. This giveaway is officially underway. Go ahead and let the entries begin. I wish everyone who enters good luck. Thank you all for the continued support. Thank you for entering. Thank you for your time. Thank you for even watching this video. If you have any questions, per usual, drop them down below. I'll do my best to assist in the best possible direction. Everyone who supports, I appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you and your time as well. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.